One of the famous stories about Salman Mutzafi that I mentioned to you guys last night. He was a very famous mekubal that made open miracles. People witnessed them. People witnessed these miracles, thousands of people. And every so often he would do it to give chizuk to people. And he was a Kodesh Kodashim, Talmid Chacham, Mekubal, according to all opinions. Sephardic, Ashkenazi, doesn't make a difference. His son today is one of the Gdolei Ador, Rabbi Yaron Reuven. Now, one time, one of the famous stories that was witnessed by countless people is Rav Salman Mutzafi, alav Shalom, told many of his students, we're going to go pray at Kivrei Tzadikim, at the grave sites of the Tzadikim, in Tveria, Tiberias. We'll go pray there. So, a bunch of people showed up, and they all went. When they got to Tveria, one of the little kids ran across the street, and a truck ran over him. Crushed him. Shem Yishmel. Bodies laying there on the floor. Everyone is in shock. Ambulance shows up. There's still a little life, but the guy at the ambulance says, Kvod Harav, we're sorry. You don't see it, but his insides are completely crushed. There's no way he's going to survive. Rav Salman Mutzafi says to the Keilah, says, okay, let's go to the kever of Rabbi Meir Baal HaNes. Let's go climb, go to this kever, pray over there. And then we'll go to the hospital, see the boy. Okay. Everyone's nervous, everyone's crying. And they go to Rabbi Meir Baal HaNes. They pray over there. After they finish, they go to the hospital. Rav Salman Mutzafi goes in by himself. He sees, doctors tell him, Kvod Harav, we're sorry. Kid's not going to make it. There's too much damage. The little boy is not going to make it. So why don't you just, maybe you could say Shema Yisrael next to him. Maybe you could blurb out a word or two before he dies, and that's it. Rav Salman Mutzafi says, it's not possible. It's not possible this kid's going to die. Right? No, Kvod Harav, he's crushed. It's finished. The truck, 18-wheeler, ran over this kid. It's finished. It's nothing. It's not possible. It's not possible he's going to die. Why not, Kvod Harav? So we prayed. We just prayed. We just went to Rabbi Meir Baal HaNes, we prayed over there. We're doing a mitzvah. It's not possible he's going to die. I'm going to go inside. Okay. No one knows what's going on here. Just like you. Rav Salman Mutzafi sees his boy, comes back outside, tells the doctor, okay, I'm going to take him out. I'm going to take him with me. Kvod Harav, if you unplug him from the wires, he's going to die instantly. Stop me, don't worry. In those days, you could do stuff like that. Today, you'd say something like, they're going to arrest you. Don't try it at home. Unless you're Rav Salman Mutzafi. If you die, you can still do it. So he goes inside, unplugs everything, comes back, the kid's walking, nothing happened to him. Not a scratch. Zero. Everyone saw it. Nothing. Walks out. Hundreds of people watching this. They have no idea what just happened. The doctors, how was it about 2 seconds ago, we were inside, we saw the kid, crushed, finished. So, Kvod Harav, what happened? So nothing happened. I told HaKadosh Baruch Hu, how could it be? We went to go do a mitzvah. We went to sanctify your name. How could it be that one of your children is going to get hurt doing a mitzvah? How could it be? And on top of it, we prayed. How could it be? Hashem said, I agree. Everything's fixed. Now, if this story wasn't witnessed and written in papers and things like that, people would have a very hard time believing it.